This is OWON Boy. Today I will introduce the HDS200 Series 3-in-1 handheld oscilloscope. It is small and handheld, very suitable for outdoor maintenance, rapid on-site measurement, automobile maintenance, and power detection. The HDS200 series uses a 3.5-inch LCD with clear display. The shell adopts an integrated design of rubber covering, which really feels nice in hand, and not easy to peel off after long-term use. HDS200 can work continuously for about 6 hours powered by battery. The battery can be quickly replaced by removing the screw on the rear cover, provide longer test time. The HDS200 series has 4 models. Integrates the functions of oscilloscope, multimeter, and waveform generator in one. Switch between the 3 functions with just one key. Now let's look at the oscilloscope functions. 40 MHz or 70 MHz bandwidth, 250 MHz sampling rate, max 8000 record length. Built-in 7 kinds of automatic measurement. $20,000 counts multimeter with auto range, supports measuring voltage, current, resistance, diode, capacitance, and continuity test. The waveform generator has 14-bit vertical resolution, and max 25 MHz output frequency. Output sine, square, ramp, pulse, and 8 common arbitrary waveforms. On the side of HDS200 series, there are oscilloscope probe calibration signal and USB Type-C interface to communicate with computer. Standard SCPI communication function facilitates secondary development. The USB Type-C interface also supports an external power bank, convenient for long-term outdoor use. Thanks for watching. I am OWON Boy. See you next time.